Hello everybody. Today here we are with the part 2 of number system. The part 2 of number system is started with the divisibility rule. So we will be discussing divisibility rule starting from 2. So the rule for 2 is any number the last digit of which is either even or 0 is divisible by 2. This is so simple. You can see the 12, the last digit is even number 2. 86, the last digit is even number 6. Also 20, 40, the last digit is 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. Now the divisibility by 3. If the sum of the digit of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Like 1, 2, 3. The summation is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. We can take any number like 5, 6, 7, 3, 0. So if we sum up all these numbers, so 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 0, so this comes 11, 14, 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. So this is the rule of divisibility by 3. Now we come with the divisibility by 4. If the last two digit of a number is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. Also, the number having two or more zeros at the end is also divisible by 4. Now, here with the example. So the rule 1 is if the last two digit of a number is divisible by 4. Here the last two digit is 21. We all know that 28. We all know that 28 is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 4. Also the second rule, if the number having two or more zeros at the end is also divisible by 4. Like 3400, the last two digit 2 zeros, so this number is divisible by 4. Like we can say 34000, last three digit is 0, so the number is divisible by 4. So 2, 3, 4 we have discussed. Now we are with the divisibility by 5. So the rule is if a number ends with 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. So we can see that 1, 3, 4, 5, the number ends with 5. So this number is divisible by 5. And here the number ends with 0, the number is divisible by 5. So simple. Now the divisibility by 6. This is also very simple. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 2, then the number is also divisible by 6. So for a number to be divisible by 6, that number has to be divisible by 3 and has to be divisible by 2. So the number should end with an even digit or 0, thus or and basically, and the sum of its digits should be divisible by 3, like 150. This number is ends with 0 and the sum of the digits are also 6. So this number is divisible by 6. So divisibility by 5 and 6 are completed. Now we are coming with the divisibility rule of 8. This is very important. If the last three digit of a number is divisible by 8, the number is also divisible by 8. Also, if the last three digits of a number are 0, then the number is divisible by 8. Like 1, 2, 5, 6, we can see the last three digits are 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6 are divisible by 8, that means this number are divisible by 8. Also you can see that number, the last three digits are all zeros, so this number is also divisible by 8. So now we are with the divisibility rule by 9. If the sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. This is same as rule 3, where all the number summation of all the number should be divisible by 3. So here the summation of all the number should be divisible by 9, that is 27. So we can we know that 27 is divisible by 9, so this number is divisible by 9. Now divisibility rule by 10. Any number which ends with 0 is divisible by 10. So you can obviously understand any number which will be ends with 0 like 5, 4, 6, 7, 0. 0 means that will be divisible by 10. So divisibility by 8, 9 and 10 is copper. Now very important thing is divisibility by 11. If the sum of the digits of odd and even places are equal, or either by a number divisible by 11, that means the difference of there is divisible by 11, then the number is also divisible by 11. Now let's come with the example. This is a very important thing. So this is the number, so we can name it as odd place 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the odd places numbers, if I sum, suppose s1 3 4 6 2 15, suppose s2 2 5 2 5 8, these are also 15. So the summation of s1 and s2 both are equal, that is both are 15. That means this number is divisible by 11. If these are equal, then this should be divisible by 11. Now another rule, if these are not equal, then what should happen? Like this number, here we can sum 2 3 and 1, 2 3 and 1, that is 6, and 8 7 and 2, that is 17. So their difference is 17 minus 6, that is 11. 11 is divisible by 11, that means this number is divisible by 11. Now here some big example. You can see the digits are also very big. So here we can sum up the digits of 8 9 7 9 6 8. So 8 9 7 9 6 8. So these are, you can sum up 8 plus 9 plus 7, so this would be become 47. If you take the example of 4 2 2 1 5, so 4 2 2 1 5, so these are 6 8 14. So their difference is 47 minus 14, 33. So we know that 33 can be divided by 11, so this huge number is divisible by 11. So we can easily say by this method. This is a very tricky method and this have to be remembered. So divisibility by 11, two rules we have discussed. This is very important, we have to follow these two rules. Now divisibility by 12. The rule is any number which is divisible by both 4 and 3, that we have already discussed, that should be divisible by 12. So if a number is divisible by 4 and 3, that will be divisible by 12. This is very simple. So here we have already discussed all the divisibility rule. So in our next session we will be discussing few exceptional rule. Exceptional case, that are 7, 13, 17 and 19. So in our next session we will be discussing these four rules, that is exceptional. So by this we ends up with our discussion. So if you like that video and if this is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And also if you have any suggestion how we can improve our video, so you can obviously comment us. We will take this seriously and we will try to improve our video next time onwards. Thank you very much for watching this.